Hi, I'm Julia from Kids Read the Kids, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami cat for your worry box. So let's get started.
I hope you enjoyed this origami tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another upload from Kids Read to Kids. I'll see you next time.